Can you state your name and purpose?
My name is Dominic.
Dominic, and what are you doing?
I am helping my cousin Jessica with the care packages for the Marines.
Cool. It's not just the Marines though. Airmen in the Air Force, seamen in the Navy, soldiers in the Army, and Marines in the Marines. Then over here,
Hi.
who are you?
I'm Jessica's cousins and I'm helping put all the packages together.
Are you having fun?
I'm having a blast.
And how old are you?
I'm 20.
And how old are you?
15.
And how old am I?
26.
Good job! You get a gold star. I just wanted to show my other cousins helping me out. Look at the mountain of muscle milk back there. Alright guys, wave goodbye.
Bye.
We were out.